good morning. Today saya dan Charos akan pergi Tashkent, and then we will fly now to Uzbek. Sementara menunggu masuk ke airport, nasib baik ada kafe buka. Charos lapar gila, so kita order curry puff. Sedap. 5.42, flight pukul 6. Kita orang dah berada di dalam kapal terbang, ready to fly. We almost landing to Khiva. To Orginj. Now we are already landing to Khiva. Orginj. You wanna see something beautiful? I feel we're close enough.
حكيمات ونمت الخرزمي.
That's the place.
So big.
So this is our room. This is the toilet. Bathtub. Tididing. Tididing. Ting ting. Sekarang kita pergi cari makan. This is pancake. Eat with milk. So alhamdulillah kita orang baru lepas makan. Breakfast sedap, simple but nice. This is about the Silk Road project from Paris, Venice, Rome, Istanbul, Kiev, Aleppo, Bukhara, Samarkand, Kalau tengok dekat sini, this is the center. Khiva, Tashkent, Samarkand, Bukhara, Uzbekistan is the center. Road to Almaty, China, Shanghai, Beijing, India, Baghdad dan sebagainya. Cantik gila. Memang menakjubkan dengan dia punya batu-batu lama, struktur lama. Sejuk, lapar. Smell food.
Open your nose GPS. Find food.
We hunting food right now. This way. Damn, we cannot find food because many restaurants close.
No season.
No season for tourists right now. Huh?
They what day?
Sunday.
Oh, Sunday.
No lah.
No! Tuesday.
Westgate. Westgate. Aku sebut pun dah tak betul lah. Yes.
Over there. On the left.
I love Khiva. Okay. So here the restaurant.
Strawberries, fried rice, khimazi.
Pulau di Khiva berlainan dengan pulau di Tashkent. Rasa dia pun lain, tapi lagi sedap pulau dekat Tashkent. Sebab ada kismis, ada kacang, nuts. Pulau di Tashkent, diorang tak ada sambal. Ini ada sambal. Sedap. Sambal dia masam-masam pedas. Kita orang baru lepas makan, alhamdulillah kenyang. Now time to jalan-jalan. Kita berada di depan Museum of Essen. Tengok dia punya detail design. Ini semua handmade. This one is about more than 500 or 600 years. So this place is protected by UNESCO.
From 1990s.
Wow. So untuk naik ke atas panorama view, kita kena bayar tambahan 10,000 som. Only for me. For Charles no need. Now we are going to up there. Whew. Yeah, we are here. This place is very awesome, you know. But I cannot say awesome nicely because my mouth freezing. Khiva.
Foto?
Oh, my mouth. Wow. So, museum, I forgot the name. Asin Khozam. Already done. So now we go to another building. Now they make museum of history. But before that, this is Muhammad Rahim Khan, 1871 madrasah. Dia punya seni bina memang mengagumkan. This door is from 1353. That means it's about 700 years ago. But I cannot touch. You see the detail. Sekarang kita nak masuk ke museum interior. Wow. Penjara. God. Okay.
Kozkhana, zindan.
Kosakhana interior. Ingatkan interior design. Dia punya penjara. Let's drink some hot tea. Luar sangat sejuk. Jom kita masuk dulu restoran ni. Dalam kedai ni, restoran ni ada jual souvenir. Yo. Layan hot tea. Nice. Tidak habis. So harga tea tu dalam $1, RM4. This is a makam Said Alauddin. So here kena buka kasut. Al-Fatihah. Makam Said Alauddin ni berusia 700 tahun. Masih ada lagi tulisan-tulisan tangan original. Ini adalah perkuburan. Ini semua kubur-kubur. Itu pun ada lagi 2, 3, 4. Belakang tu banyak lagi. So kita baru selesai melawat museum foto. So kat dalam ni banyak foto-foto lama. Tomorrow we will go up there. You can? Sure? So tak cukup to go around all this place in one day. It's not enough. So we got one more day tomorrow. Today we will come back to the hotel and I will edit some videos what we're recording today and then find some food. I cannot talk. Blah, 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 blah. Nice to meet you, Khiva. Very, very nice. Ada stiker budak-budak motor. This sticker is from Poland team. So they're from Poland. They go to Uzbekistan, Russia, Kazakhstan. This one I don't know. They don't see us. No. Nobody see us. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. You okay? You dizzy?
Yes.
Oh yo.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Yes.
This is awesome.
Now you put it on.
So beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Oh, I like it. So amazing view. So that's all for today's video. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. We enjoy the sunset. First time in Khiva.